How to create the wedding filter trend video on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first you have to download the app FacePlay, and you can do that by going to your Play Store. So go ahead and search for FacePlay at the search bar at the top and then download this app and then open the app. So you'll see different templates here. Scroll down till you find the wedding filter and then click on it. Click on free to use and then click on add a face. So you can click from your camera or choose from an album. Select the photo and then click on confirm. So you can see that the video has been generated, and then just click on this save button right here. So once you're done that, go out of this app and then open your TikTok and then click on the plus sign at the bottom. Click on upload and then click on select multiple at the bottom and select the video that you have just created and go to photos and select the photo on which you have created the video and click on next. So go ahead and click on edit and click on this dash sign and you can select any transition that you want. If you're not satisfied with the type of transition available here, you can go to CapCut and add any transition that you want. So once you're done, go ahead and cross this out and click on save, and you can upload it as you usually do. So this is how to create the wedding filter trend video on TikTok.